Today we're going to animate an impactful punch in less than 10 minutes. Create a new project on FLIPACLIP and let's get to work. I'm using 24 frames per second to animate as usual because it's the most convenient for me. To animate that we'll need 3 elements: smoke effect, blur effect, and impact frames, but in this tutorial, we'll animate only the moves. If you want to learn how to do the rest, check out the tutorials playlist. Now let's get back to the video. First, I draw the black stickman in the rest pose. He then draws back his hands in anticipation for the punch. Find your perfect rest pose and use. I'll just keep trying till I get mine. Now in this frame, the stickman draws back his hands. Note that I keep the stickman height consistent with the use of grid lines. By doing this, your stick animations won't get wobbly. Now for a quick run through of the animation, he draws his hands back and punches the red stickman. We'll add slight delay to show slow impact effect, then the red stickman FLIs off. With that visualization in mind, let's continue the animation. Keep in mind that the black stickman is being animated on another layer. I don't animate both stickmen on the same layer to avoid mistakes. Now in the next frame the stickman punches. We would add more punch frames to give the slow-mo delay to show the impact. The reason I'm adjusting so much is to avoid wobbly stick figures. I do this with slight spacing and consistent stick height. Remember to make the punch pose dynamic to give more life to the animation. Now, I'll draw the second frame for the slow-mo impact punch. After the animation has been done, Eyelet heads to the stickman. To do this, increase the pen size and tap once, creating a dot on the canvas. Copy, paste, and add the dot in each frame as head. After the heads have been added, we should be done with the animation. Although to make this look better, I'll add impact frames, sound effects, and dust effects. If you want to learn how to do that, check out the tutorial playlist. And with that, you should be able to animate the heavy impact punch. Learn how to animate basic effects here and check this tutorial playlist for impact frames tutorials.